Hi, welcome to 5250. This is going to be project management for School of Professional Studies, technology project management, and specifically what we're going to be looking at are analytics projects, but more broadly looking at the scope of how do you manage a project for an emerging technology. And the reason we're looking at that specifically is because technology domain is very different from a project management perspective than a lot of other domains. You can manage construction projects, you can manage manufacturing projects. All of those things are typically have known challenges to them. With technology project management, what we're trying to deal with and get after is the real challenges to a technology project, which are the unknowns, right? Anytime we're developing something new or implementing a new process and technology into an existing environment, there are going to be things that we have to encounter that we know about. There's going to be new creative kinds of problems that pop up that we have to be ready to deal with. Risk is a huge issue, and so what we try to do in technology project management is understand what is specific to the technology we need to be accountable for, what are the new and sort of innovative techniques for managing risk as we move through it, and how do you successfully implement something that's basically never been done before. Because we're either implementing new technologies that have not been used before, and we're developing those as we go, or we're implementing existing modern technologies into an environment that hasn't had those before. And so, either way, what we're looking at is a lot of challenges and a lot of risk. This has driven technology project management to have to basically get a bad rap over the years. For decades, technology projects take too long, they go over budget, all those bad things about project management we try to avoid. There's a lot of techniques we're going to talk about this term to try to help get ourselves back in the box in terms of executing on projects and making sure that we deliver on time and within budget. The course itself is going to be a little bit different. What we're going to do in order to sort of get some of these learnings and drive them home is we're going to execute an 8-week simulation. And that simulation will be you basically developing and executing a project. And the simulation will throw a bunch of challenges at you similar to what you'll see in real life. And what we'll do is each week, as we learn more material about how to manage projects, you're going to apply that material and that learning into that simulation and then try to move forward and keep that project afloat, both in terms of cost, budget, and in terms of schedule. So there will be a lot of reading. Each week we're going to talk about one of the different integration domains of project management, from communication to stakeholder management to cost management to schedule management and scope. And then we're also going to apply that material within the simulation, so you get sort of a running feel for how to use this. It's a fun class. I want everyone to have a good time. We'll introduce ourselves in the beginning, get yourself familiarized with the course, and there's going to be a lot of communication throughout, because as these challenges come in from the various characters in the simulation, I want you guys to be comfortable to talk to me about it and talk to other classmates about it and really learn about how to manage one of these projects. So at the end of this course, when you're done, you'll feel confident, you'll feel competent, and you'll be able to go ahead and manage a technology project. So welcome to the class. Looking forward to meeting everyone, and let's just get started.